everyone, it's Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today to share my make in the hashtag 2crafters1design. Their theme this week was typewriter. And I'm also going to submit this into hashtag satmornmakes. So let me show you everything that I use to create my typewriter themed card. And hashtag 2crafters1design is hosted by Melissa, who is Moe Creations, Lisa, who is UCYIMADIVA, Gloria, who is girliascards, and hashtag satmornmakes is hosted by Jillian Norwood. I will leave a link to all of the ladies' YouTube channels below in the description box. So I use this Crafter's Companion, Nature's Garden, Spring is in the Air paper. I also used some of this ephemera that I got from Diamond Press. I just used one piece of this. And these stamps, I use these stamp sets. Oh, I'm sorry about the glare. So let me pull it up this way. I used the, there we go. I used the To Say here out of this Made It stamp. I used the Happy Birthday out of this Woodware craft collection, which is, here it is, Woodware. And from Hero Arts, I used Just a Note. I also use this Essential Arches from Spellbinders. I think I used this one right here. And from Spellbinders, I am in their Embossing Photo of the Month Club. So this one was for April, called Seamless Floral Background. And I used some diamond dots. So guys, let me show you the card that I created. Here is my card. Now, I did not have a typewriter die in my stash at all. So I went to my Cricut Joy and cut that out. So let me bring this a little closer so you can see it. So here is the little ephemera from the Diamond Press pack. This is the paper from that Nature's Garden, Spring is in the Air. And here is where I did the embossing and added some little diamond dots. And this is like the solid paper is just paper I had in my card, in my stash. I think it's Recollections paper. And I put some foam tape under here to pop up the typewriter and to pop up the Happy Birthday. And this is an A2 size card. And this is the inside of the card. So I just matted it and put a strip of that paper that I have going around here. So guys, this is my A2 size card to submit into 2crafters1design and hashtag satmornmakes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Hey, why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to each and every one of my comments. I do realize today is Sunday, but my weekend got away from me and I had cut all these pieces out and I just needed to put them together. And I didn't want the opportunity to pass that I didn't support 2crafters1design and hashtag satmornmakes. Guys, continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.